Hey everyone, Tim here with the West DFW REI Group, just bringing you another update on the Buying Houses Subject to workshop coming up on 8 August 2020. Today is the 27th of July, and I am hard at work at putting together this presentation, this workshop for you, where we're going to go through and teach you all the ins and outs and every step of the way of doing houses subject to, what it means, who your customers are going to be, how you go about pre-screening them, what to ask them, what to say, handling objections, so on and so forth. We're going to go through some real deals. I'm hoping that you'll bring some of your sub-2 leads with you so we can go through those and help you structure those deals during the class. And then I'm going to have several of my recent deals that I've done actually closed, so you can look at those and see how those deals were structured and stuff. So it's going to be a lot of fun. You're going to get a lot out of it. You're also going to get, as part of that registration, you're going to receive both audio and video of that event. Unfortunately, we have no choice but to do a remote virtual event type of thing. So you're going to get the video and the audio to refer back to, as well as my presentation as part of that workshop. So the important thing for you to take away from this video today is that the deadline for taking advantage of the early bird discounts is coming up on midnight this Saturday, 1 August. So don't forget that. You need to go get registered for that so that you can take advantage of those deep discounts as part of this workshop. You will not walk away disappointed or empty-handed. You will get a lot for the money, and I think you'll see that when, especially considering the market situation as things are today with COVID and the unemployment rates and stuff, and the fact that things are going downhill instead of up. So it's going to be a huge opportunity, a huge tool in your toolbox that's going to come in quite handy for the next quite some time. I have no idea how long it's going to last, but it's going to be very beneficial and well used in your business. So, but this is one of those transactions that you must learn it the right way and do it the right way to protect you and the seller. So anyhow, without further ado, I'm going to wrap this up, signing off. Hopefully we'll see you on 8 August. And all you do, if you haven't registered, is go to the westdfwreigroup.com website, click on calendar of events, scroll over to 8 August, and click on the registration button and go through those steps and get registered right away. And watch your email as soon as you register for the confirmation email that's going to have some important details. It's going to have a download link for you with a couple different documents and property information sheet for you to pre-screen your sellers with and bring to the class with you. So check that confirmation email as soon as you register. Look forward to seeing you soon on 8 August 2020 at the Subject to workshop coming up. So talk to you soon. Have a great day. Stay safe out there.